Tell them what we're going to do today is.
Today we're going to get the chicken there. We're going to go a little bit time.
And then what are we going to do?
Then we're going to eat.
From the mouths of babes.
Exactly right. So today we're going to take the chickens. Hold on, buddy.
Okay,
we're going to get the chickens right. We got it. We understand that. So
today we're going to do is pick the, and then we're going to do is get the chickens up here and put them in there.
well, how are we going to do that?
We're going to put them in the baby dog's cage.
We are.
Yeah.
And then we're going to bring them up here, right? And put them in there, right?
Yes, sir. It's a cage.
It is? What?
Hi, Daddy.
Alright, well today we're going to take our chickens from our brooder barn. It took so long and left them in the barn for so long. And bring them up here and put them in our chicken tractor. And in a couple of weeks we're going to process them. Yeah. Say, welcome to Milk Farms.
Welcome to Milk Farms.
Below.
You got to subscribe below. Say, welcome to Milk Farms. Subscribe below.
Welcome to Milk Farms and below. Can't do that.
You're supposed to say subscribe below.
I saw below.
Okay, say subscribe below.
Subscribe below.
Okay.
Hey guys, so today we are getting the chickens out of the barn, getting them onto pasture. Here we go. Some of these guys are huge. No. Come on, it's all dirty up here. We're going to get the chickens. Just sit back and watch.
I want to watch it.
Why don't you get the camera?
No, you're not grabbing it. Back up.
Don't touch the camera, guys. Yeah, you're not far.
That one's so cute.
Got her?
No, got her.
Set her in, close the door. Isabel, close the door. Close the door. Hold the door closed for Mom.
For the mom, yes.
Open it up. All right, get ready to open it, please. It's not
You gotta hold
funny.
it closed, buddy. Push it. On the other side.
Gross, chicken poo.
Alright, you need to turn around and face the other direction. Hold it closed, it is.
All right, open it. Keep it shut for me, Izzy.
We're doing this together. We need everything.
No touching the chickens.
Look at the camera.
Yucky.
Where's the next one coming?
That's half the problem with processing right there. Just get them in. Alright guys, today we are taking our chickens from our barn brooder and we're putting them into our chicken tractors. And there's a good chance that by now these guys are ready for processing. Check them out. You want some small chickens? We probably could process these guys. Uh-oh. Hi girls, going for a ride. Greener pastures. Something I've been dreading for a little while is moving these birds. We still got the turkeys to do. Right now, we're just gonna put some chickens in the chicken tractor. And guess what? That's our chicken tractor.
Libby, did you see that big old spider?
No. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's a garden spider.
That could go away.
We live on a farm, and Mommy's scared of spiders.
I don't like spiders. Get away from the
He's not gonna hurt you.
It's big.
It's okay. It's not that big.
Nope.
Put on the camera. Just back up.
Get away from the spider.
All right.
I don't do spiders.
Isabel, remember how we opened this?
Yeah.
Would you mind stepping on that down there for me?
Yes! I know.
Push it all the way down. Hold it down, please. Hold it all. Don't let go. You understand?
Oh my goodness.
There you go. Everything ready? Oh boy, you're getting. Oh, that's about 50 pounds of chicken meat. Okay.
Gabriel, don't push.
Come on, gobble gobble. You got to go now.
It's not a gobble gobble. That's a cheep. Fairness. Gabe, stop.
We have more sheep to do.
We got more chickens to do.
Yes,
Maybe.
and there's a little bit
Our
more
guardian
to do,
dog.
and then we're done.
Pupper in training. They are perfectly content sitting in there.
Get out of there. Oh, sweetie. Get out. Come on.
B.
These chickens are scary heads. They don't
Baroness.
want to the cage.
Okay. We'll turn it upside right here. Come on, guys.
Baroness, no.
Good night. Hi, Mike. You are good boy. Happy. Oh.
Move, buddy. Get out of the way.
There's significantly more chickens in there now.
I get that now. What I'm gonna do is go over here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Significantly more.
Move, buddy.
Back up, buddy.
Okay, move. Okay, we gotta move, buddy. Goodness gracious. Gosh. Nice chickens. This is your dinner. Holy cow. I can't bend over.
Look at the dad.
Don't pull on your back.
I got you, Dad. Are you okay, Dad?
Yeah, look.
Don't break your back.
Come on, chickie chicks. Alright guys, we're going to go over our chicken tractor. It's kind of like a Salatin one, but we made a couple of modifications that work in our situation. You can tell we've got about, say 60% covered and about 40% uncovered, and that works out pretty well. And we use little nipples right there. You see those nipples? We use the nipples on a PVC. We have quick connect right here, so we can remove this pretty easily. We have a different hinge system that maybe you that you might not recognize. Instead of going up that direction, we fold it down this direction. And the reason we do that is we end up using this arm right here. You see that arm right there? You see on the side. We use that arm in order to pull the tractor with. So those wheels in the back and this arm right here in the front is pretty much all we need to move this thing around our yard. And that's pretty helpful for us. And we're not using really big wire. This was a complete scrap metal, scrap project that we created with old wire, old screws, old 2x, and metal from different cover sheets for our barn. So this is pretty much it. I'll walk around it. I bent a little metal to make a trim piece just so I wouldn't cut myself on it, or my kids wouldn't cut myself on it. Check out that spider. That there? That's a good spider. So this is a tractor for us. It really works pretty well, guys. We didn't have any plans. We just built it from whatever we had in the barn, whatever screw we had, whatever 2x that we had. This is what we did. Everybody be quiet. Thanks for taking time today to watch our video, guys. We really appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing, be sure to subscribe, give us some comments. In a couple of weeks, we're going to process our birds. We'll post a video a little bit about that. We have another video of processing our first set of birds that we did earlier this season, and it came out pretty good, so we hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you're seeing, thumbs up. Like it, subscribe, comment, all those good things. Thanks for taking time out of your day, guys. God bless you.